As you have seen, the excavation was being done by mechanical means was for an isolated footing of pit size 5 feet by 6 feet, and it was about 7 feet deep. But in few pits water was coming out, and since the required depth was reached, excavation was stopped. On this particular site, total of 16 columns were positioned, and each of the footing were designed as isolated footing, since they were not overlapping at each other. Since there were 16 columns and their excavation would be done simultaneously, will cause a large heap of soil, so the excavation was done for 8 columns at a time. So that's it for this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot as it works with YouTube algorithms. Share it with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you. This is Abdul Basit signing out.